Welcome back, students. Study time now. Currently we are doing lesson number 4 of English, Bachendri Pal. We have already done with the 3 parts. Today's lesson we will proceed further. On your screen you will find a paragraph. I will read out to you, and if possible you can repeat after me and listen to it very carefully. For about 43 minutes, she stayed on the summit and took several photographs. Thus, she became the first Indian woman to scale the Mount Everest and the 5th woman in the world to do so. She is now a member of the governing body of Indian Mountaineering Foundation. Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, NIM, National Adventure Foundation, Vice Chairman of Bhagirathi Seven Sisters Adventure Club, Uttarkashi, and All India Women's Judo and Karate Federation, and President of Lioness Club India. She is the Manager, Adventure Programs, Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. The then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi had presented the 1986 Ladies Study Group Award to her in recognition of her outstanding contribution in the fields of mountaineering. She had been awarded the Padma Shri, the Arjuna Award, the IMF Gold Medal and cash awards from the UP government and TISCO. So students, Bachendri Pal was a very famous in whatever endeavor she had done. Like she was a mountaineering, she was a pioneer in mountaineering, and she reached the topmost positions. She had achieved so much. The government had given her so many awards in various organizations and various departments. She was given very good positions in various institutions. Okay, so this paragraph was all about her achievements, and she was also awarded from the then Prime Minister of Rajiv Gandhi Ladies Study Group Award and Arjuna Award, the Padma Shri Award. She also won gold medal, cash awards from UP government and the TISCO, that is Tata Iron and Steel Company. So you can understand how famous she had become. Okay, so let us now find one question on your screen. List some of her achievements. There are so many achievements. So this question is a brief answer question. Okay, so let us see the answer. She is a member of the governing body of Indian Mountaineering Foundation, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, NIM, National Adventure Foundation, Vice Chairman of Bhagirathi Seven Sisters Adventure Club, Uttarkashi, and All India Women's Judo and Karate Federation, and President of Lioness Club India. She is a Manager, Adventure Programs, Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. She has been awarded in the 1986 Ladies Study Group Award, the Padma Shri, the Arjuna Award, the IMF Gold Medal and cash awards from the UP government and TISCO. So this is quite a big answer. Full answer, if you according to the question, list her achievements, you have to mention all these points in the answer. Now we move ahead to the next question, that is, name the awards presented to her by the then Prime Minister? We had just read who was the then Prime Minister. Prime Minister was Rajiv Gandhi. Now let us see the answer. The then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi had presented the 1986 Ladies Study Group Award to Bachendri Pal. Again we will read the question. Name the awards presented to her by the then Prime Minister. You have to write the answer as the then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi had presented the 1986 Ladies Study Group Award to Bachendri Pal. So now students, we have done with the lesson. Now we have studied this lesson, read this lesson in 4 parts today, including today's lesson, class. So let us now take a short recap from the beginning, and I will ask you a few questions. Let us see whether we can answer the questions from this lesson. So let us move ahead and just have a look at the screen. The question is, when and where was Bachendri Pal born? Now this was in the first paragraph, first 2-3 lines. Like the answer should be, Bachendri Pal was born in the year 1954 in Nakuri village, Garhwal, presently in the state of Uttarakhand in India. So what is the question? When and where was Bachendri Pal born? Bachendri Pal was born in the year 1954 in Nakuri village in Garhwal, presently in the state of Uttarakhand in India. Next. Name the mountains she climbed while doing her course at the National Institute of Mountaineering, that is NIM. I repeat the question. Name the mountains she climbed while doing her course at NIM. Now, she climbed Gangotri 21,900 feet and Rudugaria 19,091 feet in the year 1982 during her time at NIM, that is National Institute of Mountaineering. So when she was doing that course in National Institute of Mountaineering, she climbed the Gangotri, which was 21,900 feet, and Rudugaria 19,091 feet in the year 1982. So the answer, she climbed Gangotri 21,900 feet and Rudugaria 19,091 feet in the year 1982 during her time at NIM. Now let us proceed further. We have a question on your screen. What was Bachendri Pal like as a child? What was Bachendri like as a child? Means, how was she in her childhood? What was her nature basically? Okay. So this is a question. Let us see the answer. Bachendri was an active child and did well in her school. She distinguished herself in sports too. Since childhood, she was a very active child, okay, very energetic and active, and she liked outdoor sports. Like we had read about her taking part in various competitions like judo, karate, and where there were competitions with mixed with men and women. She used to beat the boys as well as the girls. So we had read this in the chapter. So the question, what was Bachendri like as a child? The answer, Bachendri was an active child and did well in her school. She distinguished herself in sports too. She was very good at sports right from her childhood. Various sports she has played. Okay. Now, Now, so students, we have completed the lesson. We just began with this lesson. It was a very interesting lesson. We in the beginning we read many new words. We came across many new words which were very new to you. We understood the meanings of these words, and we selected some words, and we learned to frame sentences in simple language. Okay, I hope you have all tried to frame sentences in your own words. Okay, and also I hope you have read the spellings of the words. Okay, then after that we I showed you many pictures like of various famous sports personalities who have achieved fame in their respective sports arena. Whatever, we had seen so many pictures. Then we came to our lesson that was about Bachendri Pal and her passion in mountaineering. We read about her childhood and how she was actually forced, and then her parents, and because of the pressure she had from her family, though she had others of her other girls of her age had to leave the school education after 8th standard, but Bachendri insisted that she needs to study. Then she used to do small odd jobs. She had applied for jobs. All these things we had read in the lesson, and how she managed to enroll herself in the National Institute of Mountaineering, and her further achievements. And in the end she reached almost a very high position, and she was awarded many she won many awards. Okay, so this was all about the lesson we had read about Bachendri Pal. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. It is a very interesting lesson. Now, after you get your textbooks, you are supposed to read the lesson thoroughly. I will be sending a worksheet also in this chapter, in this lesson. I will be sending some very simple questions, like I will give you like to frame words. I'll be giving you to frame the sentences. Then I'll also be giving you some art integration work. You can there will be a question wherein you will have to collect some pictures of various sports personalities, and you will very artistically way, in a manner, you can make a collage. Okay, so this you can do it and submit it. Okay, and please try to complete the worksheet and submit. So I hope you have understood this lesson, and so till we meet in the next class for the next lesson, let us stop here. Have a nice day, students.